like and subscribe. Free crypto, bro.
What's up, my dear crypto people, welcome to another video. This is going to be a fast one. I will show you one very simple and easy Dogecoin crypto faucet where you can earn free Doge and withdraw it to your FaucetPay account. As always, I will leave a link in the description below, so feel free to join. Okay guys, so once you make your FaucetPay account, you just need to log into this site. Remember that you will need to disable your ad block to be able to claim, and let's claim this super easy faucet. So to claim it, you just need to complete this one CAPTCHA and click claim now. So you have 30 claims per day. There's a 3-minute cooldown between claims, and yeah, this is the amount of Dogecoin that you claim. So besides the Dogecoin faucet, they also have short links. So let's complete one short link. I'm going to show you how to complete the shrink earn short link, okay? So let's click go to short link. So this is one of the easier short links. Remember, you will also need to disable your ad block for this one. So we close the pop-up ads and complete this CAPTCHA. Close the pop-up ad once more, and then we wait for this to load. Here we click continue and wait 15 seconds for the timer. So guys, I actually wanted to show you another amazing Litecoin crypto faucet, but their balances got empty this morning, so yeah, I'm going to show you this Dogecoin faucet instead. But as soon as that Litecoin faucet gets replenished, I'll show you that one. That's also one really amazing Litecoin crypto faucet. But yeah, we will wait for that until the next video. So guys, we click here once more continue and click get link. So now we are on the last step. We click disagree. If the timer doesn't start counting down, you need to click on the screen or either close the pop-up ad. So once the timer counts down, we click here get link. So don't click this direct download link, we are clicking this one, okay? Get link. We close this pop-up ad, and that's it guys. We have received the Dogecoin for completing the short link. So yeah, there's also some other short links here. You can do earn now 11 times, and these other ones 1 time, okay? So let's take a look here. They have the daily challenge. Complete 10 faucet claims. But wait, I did one faucet, I did one short link. It doesn't show here. But okay, this is a really new faucet guys. It has just around 500 users or something like that. So yeah, that would be about it. Let me show you the payment proof on FaucetPay. So guys, here's the payment proof. This is the name of the crypto faucet. Dogecoin. A little bit misspelled, but okay. Yeah, it's legit guys. So as I said, I wanted to show you another crypto faucet, but their balance got empty right today when I wanted to make a video about them, so that will have to wait for another video. If you like some Dogecoin, feel free to join this site. Keep it bookmarked. As I said, it's a new fresh site, so maybe it will improve a little bit in the future. For now on, it has kind of a long faucet cooldown, 3 minutes, and the challenges are not updated, so I don't know what's going on with that, but hopefully it will get better in the future, okay? So thanks a lot for watching guys. Check out the description below for some other crypto faucets. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.